Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send SUI from Bitget to OKX Wallet. Alright, so how do you go about this? Simply open up your Bitget account. Make sure you have an account here. If you do not, use the link in the description to stand a chance to claim 1000 USDT new user rewards. Alright, so with your account verified and everything else, head to the assets menu at the bottom right. From the overview, scroll to the spot or your funding account to where you have your SUI token. So once you found your SUI, click on the withdrawal and then use the search icon at the top of the screen to simply search for SUI. Click on SUI, click on on-chain withdrawal, and you're met with the withdrawal network, withdrawal address, and amount. The network is automatically set to the SUI network, so you must make sure you're receiving on the SUI network as well. And then you're asked to enter your withdrawal address, which you can get from the OKX Web3 app. And then the withdrawal amount, that's the minimum, is 1. So make sure you have up to the minimum or more than the minimum to withdraw. Now simply minimize and open up your OKX application. Once you've opened up OKX, we have the exchange and we have the wallet. So we're going to be making use of the OKX Web3 wallet. So once you're in the Web3 section, where we have the receive at the top of the screen, click on receive, and then simply use the search to search for SUI. Click on SUI, copy your address, minimize and open up the Bitget exchange, paste the address you copied there, and then simply enter the amount you wish to send. So once you've entered the amount you wish to send, there's a gas fee of 0.04 attached to your transaction. And all you need to do is hit the withdrawal option and your tokens would be sent over to your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question. Thank you.